Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Tamae's World. Today we will be making a lava lamp. So first you're going to need a clear glass jar, then some baking soda, some vinegar, vegetable oil, glitter, food coloring, and a stick to stir your glitter, food coloring, and vinegar together. So now you're gonna pour your baking soda in the bottom of your container. Then put in your oil, your vegetable oil. Now you're going to pour your vegetable and pour in and pour. Now let's put our glitter, mixing it together.
Hey, come. That will finish it.
So I'm mixing together my vinegar, my food coloring, and my glitter. That should be about enough glitter. Now let's pour it in. It looks amazing. Ooh. It should be bubbling now for the lava effect to happen. This looks cool. The pink is at the top, the blue is at the bottom floating up like bubbles, and then it's foaming at the top. Now I'm going to put it on top of my light so there are more bubbles going up. Isn't it cool? So this is the end of my video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's so fun. Okay. So catch me in the next video when I make it another way. Bye guys!